Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial for an arrow rectangle. You are going to start off by selecting an arrow shape under block arrows. Place it on the slide and decide on the direction you would like it to face. Next, adjust the proportions to your liking. To adjust the width of the arrow, move the yellow points which appear when clicking on the shape. Now duplicate the arrow and position it next to your first arrow. To flip the shape cleanly, go into Rotate in your upper left toolbar. Based on the direction you chose for your arrows, select Rotate Right or Rotate Left. The shape will now be flipped by 90 degrees. Repeat this process for the third and the fourth arrow. As you go, adjust the exact positioning of the shapes for a coherent look. For more precision in the movements, use the arrows on your keyboard instead of the cursor. Once you are satisfied with the look of your graphic, go into Arrange and group all shapes. All arrows will now move as a unit. In a final step, you can select the colors of each individual arrow. Do so based on personal preference or brand colors. Now you have a simple yet eye-catching graphic that you can easily move around on your slide and adjust based on your needs. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.